Welcome to the tutorial on how to use Ordzaar's new studio mode. If you're into NFTs but you haven't tried out Ordinals yet, don't worry. I'll be teaching you how to launch your collections in 6 simple steps. First, you'll enter in Ordzaar.com and it will bring you to this page, and then you click on Connect Wallet. But since we don't have the Unisat wallet installed yet, we'll have to click on this and it will direct you to the Chrome Web Store. So now we click Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and now the extension has been added. So now I'm going to create a new wallet and then key in a secure password that you won't forget. Let's go. Okay, and then now it will bring you to this page with your secret recovery phrase. So this phrase is very important. You should never share it with anyone, and you should store it in a good place where only you can find it. And then click on Continue. And for Ordzaar, we recommend Taproot. So I'm going to click on Taproot and then Continue. And that's it. So I've created a Unisat wallet, and now all you need to do is to deposit some Bitcoin into this. So you can go into your exchange or your other wallets that hold Bitcoin and send it into this address. Once you've sent some Bitcoin into this account, then you're ready to get started on your collection creation journey. You'll go back to the website and do a little refresh, just so that the system kind of detects your wallet installed. And then when you click on Connect Wallet, Unisat, and there will be this pop-up that will show you the account that is currently active in the extension. You click on Connect, and that's it. You've connected it here, and you can finally start creating your collection. So the first thing you need to fill in is your collection name. So it has to be something unique, something that represents your collection. And then come up with a description for it. Then you're going to fill in your URL, which should be something unique and only contains lowercase and numbers. And then next, you can set your min price, but you don't have to worry so much because you can change your min price later on. So I'm just going to set something like 1 Bitcoin. And then you fill in your creator name and then your email address. And then the last part of this step is to fill in your wallet address, but as you can see, it has already pulled the wallet address from my Unisat wallet. So you can just leave it as it is, or if you want to change it to something else, you can just copy and paste it into this box. Then we click on Next. So now we come to the next step where you upload your profile image, banner image, and featured thumbnail. So I'll just use the Click to Browse option. And then I'm going to upload my profile image. So for the profile image, you can actually choose between doing a GIF, MP4, or just a still PNG. And then now I'm going to upload the banner image. So I click on this and open. And then the feature thumbnail. And then in this last part, you can actually add your socials. So this is really good if you want to sort of link back to your community channels and help people find out more about your collection. So once you fill in your socials, then you can click on Next. Okay, so at this next step is where you'll see a summary of all the details that you just filled in the previous 2 steps. Yep. So what's very unique is actually everything you see here in this box, they're all going to be inscribed on chain. While the other things like your socials links, these will be off-chain, but bulk of all the information of your collection is going to be on-chain. So once you've confirmed that all these details are correct, you can click on Next, but if you see anything that you'd like to change, you can just click on Back. Now we're going to move on to the next step. So here's the fun part where you get to add your assets and set your minting limits. So the same as before, you can click drag and drop your files or click to browse. Then you highlight all the files that you like to upload, click open, and they will be uploaded. So do note that there is no limit to how many files you can upload, but do only upload 50 at a time. And then this part, I did mention before that you can change your minting price, and here's where you do it. So for example, I want to change it just to 0.001 Bitcoin, and with 10 mint limit. 0.001 and 10. Yep, so do check through again to make sure that the prices and the mint limits are all what you like them to be. And once you've verified that, you can click on Next, which will bring you to the final step where you get to publish your collection. So on this page, you can sort of see a teaser of how your collection page will look like, with your logo, your collection name, and your description, as well as your social channels. And then also the number of inscriptions that you're going to have in this collection. And then for the network fee, we recommend you to not change it because what we put here is actually optimized. But in general, the higher the number you put here, the faster your inscription process will be. So as you can see, there are only network fees that you will have to pay, and we actually have 0 platform fees. So once you check everything and you're ready to go, you would have to agree to the terms and conditions. And then finally, click on Inscribe Collection. So click on Sign Transaction from Wallet, and this should pop up. And then just look through, and if everything's good, click on Sign, and then you wait. So usually this process takes around like 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the Bitcoin congestion. And that's it, your transaction is being received. So once it goes through 1 or 2 blockchain confirmations, you'll be able to access it on the Collections tab on our website. As you can see, it's super easy, and the best of all, it's totally free of charge. So what are you waiting for? Head over to ordzaar.com and launch your collections right now.